Hi all, today let's see how we can connect our Sonos smart wall switch to a light bulb. First we have to do the wiring. Here the live wire is coming to the wall switch. We have to terminate it to L and L2 terminals, and only the live wire comes here. The neutral wire is directly going to the light bulb. Here I have used the capacitor they have provided with the smart wall switch. The wiring is pretty simple, and also we can switch on and off the fluorescent bulbs without the capacitor also, but I highly recommend to use the capacitor. First we have to press this button for 5 seconds, and as you can see the blue bulb will be blinking. After that you can use your eWelink app to connect this smart switch. First open the eWelink app. Here I have opened this app, and then tap that button, then use quick pair in, add one device, and please make sure to use 2.4 gigahertz range Wi-Fi, and enter the SSID name and password, and then click next. It will take some time to connect the device. Make sure to keep the Wi-Fi router in range, and as you can see the device is added to the eWelink app. You can rename the device here and add any room you want, and then you can see that our eWelink smart wall socket is added to the eWelink app, and from here we can switch on and off the bulb. It's pretty simple, and also we can on and off the switch manually also. And as usual we can use schedule, timer, and timer loops for this smart wall switch. So I think this is very cool and very simple methods to add this smart wall switch to our eWelink app. And goodbye, let's see in another video.